So this question is asking us to calculate the size of angle y, right? And here we have our right angle triangle, and it's pre-labeled opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. And we're asked to calculate angle y. Looking at the information, we don't have a measurement for the hypotenuse. So the ratio that we're going to use should not have the hypotenuse in there. We have information for the opposite, and we also have information for the adjacent. So the ratio we must use must have the opposite and the adjacent. So let's check it. So we need the opposite and the adjacent. This one only have the opposite, so we can't use sine. This one only has the adjacent, so we can't use cosine. This one has the opposite and the adjacent, so we're gonna have to use the tangent ratio. Great, that's the first step. Now we need to write what tan says. So tan of an angle is equal to its opposite divided by its adjacent. Now when we look at the diagram, the angle that we're given is y. So we're going to say tan y is equal to, we need that opposite now. So the diagram says that the opposite is 49 centimeters. So I'm going to substitute 49 centimeters for that opposite. Following the formula, I should divide, and I'm going to divide by the adjacent. Looking back at the diagram and looking for adjacent, it is 63 centimeters. So I'm going to put that 63 centimeters here. Good. Now to get y on its own, I need to do tan inverse to get rid of this tan. So I'd have to tan inverse both sides. Tan inverse. And the tan inverse can't really hold up here, so I'm going to itch it up right at the top. Tan inverse. Great. So what that does is tan inverse will cancel tan, leaving us with just y on the left. And now I have to put all of this tan inverse thing into my calculator. So I'm going to have to find tan inverse. Here it is, tan inverse. And I'm going to have to put 49 divided by 63. 49 divided by 63. See, I am getting 37.87 degrees. Good. So the size of angle y is going to be 37.87. And remember, it's an angle, so it's in degrees. And that's it.